So friends, what is plantar fasciitis? It is a common cause of your heel pain that occurs when the plantar fascia, a tough band of tissue connecting your heel to your toes, become irritated and damaged, often due to overuse. Symptoms include sharp pain in the bottom of your heel, especially with the first step in the morning or even after rest. Treatment typically involve rest, ice, stretching exercise, changing footwear, supportive devices, steroid injection, and even surgery. So what is plantar fascia? The answer is it is a thick fibrous band of tissue that runs along the bottom of your foot. It supports the arch of your foot and absorbs shock when you walk or run. What causes plantar fasciitis? First is overuse stress. This is the most common cause resulting from activities that place excessive stress on the plantar fascia. Second is your foot structure. Issues with your foot's arch like flat foot or high arched foot can contribute to the problem. Third is your footwear. Ill-fitting or unsupportive shoes can increase stress on the plantar fascia. Fourth is your activities. Prolonged standing, exercising or working on hard surface can also be a contributing factors. Next is what are the common symptoms of plantar fasciitis? The first is the sharp heel pain. The most common symptoms is a stabbing pain in the bottom of the foot near the heel. Second is pain with first few steps. The pain is often worst with the first few steps after waking up in the morning or after a period of sitting. Third one is pain after rest. It can also be triggered by long period of standing or after getting up from sitting. And there is arch pain. Pain may also be felt in the arch of your foot. So what are the treatment options available with us? First and most important is the rest. Avoid activities that aggravate the pain. Okay. Second is ice fermentation. Apply ice to reduce pain and swelling. You can stand up on a ice frozen bottle. Third one is stretching out. Perform stretches for the plantar fascia and calf muscles. And the fourth is supportive footwear. Wear shoes with good arch support and cushioning. Fifth is orthotic devices are available in the market. Devices worn inside shoes can provide cushioning and support your foot arch. Other treatments are in some cases corticosteroid injections or surgery may be used. So if you have any doubts about your heel pain, just comment it and I will give answer for sure. Thank you. Tata, bye bye.